Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your profile or your account on the Indeed job search website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in indeed.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Indeed website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account option and then click on sign in to use your credentials. After entering your credentials, you will be signed into your account and taken into the home page. From here, you can browse through various different jobs that you might be interested in. Now, if you want to delete your account, then you can look for this setting in the account section. Click on your profile at the top right corner and then click on settings. And you might be asked to enter your verification code to access your settings page. Now, within this setting, if you search down, there is no option to delete your account. If you check into the privacy settings, there is still no option that will allow you to delete your account. So if you wish to delete your account, scroll down and click on Help Center. From the Help Center page, click on More Articles underneath My Indeed account, and then click on How do I close my account. Now, you will be provided some instructions to delete your account. However, you will not find this option within the account page, as we already have looked at before. So click on the Submit a Request button at the bottom. Now, if you still don't find the option to delete your account or send an email, then click on About at the bottom section, and then from the About page, you can click on Contact Support. From the Contact page, click on Account, and then click on Other. Then click on Still Have Questions, and now you will be able to directly type in your prompt to delete your account. Now, within the text box, just type in that you want to delete your account, and then choose your desktop or mobile, whichever method you're using. You can also add a screenshot if you wish to do so, but this definitely doesn't apply to our case. So click on the Send Email button, and your email will immediately be sent to the Indeed support team. Once your email has been sent, all you need to do is wait for the response, and once you get it, you can follow the instructions from within to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to have your account deleted on the Indeed job search platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.